Oh, there's people there. That's a bit awkward. Sorry. My name is Miss Kraken, and this is the story called Miss Kraken. The story is written by Nicki Greenberg, and it's about the kids in my class from last year. Their names were Jesse, Dion, Mikey, Samara, Zig, Janie, Alvy, Millie, Ren, Will, Raph, Lulu, Ernie, and Meg. And I'll also be getting Lulu to help read the story with me. Hope you enjoy it. I certainly didn't. Oh no. Oh, it happened again. Sorry. Okay, so, back to it. We are going to read the story called Miss Kraken. And yes, here we go, page... Hang on. Oh no, I'm huge! Oh, I've done something wrong here. Hang on. Let me just slither back a little bit. Excuse me. 6. Be back in a sec. Sorry. Thank you. Okay, so here we go, boys and girls. We are ready to read. Hang on. Why am I this small? Oh no, I look like a crab. Somebody help me. I can't get out of here. Quick. Oh great, we've only just started. We're already up to take 100. Okay, here we go. Oh no! Hang on. I'm a unicorn! Oh, I've messed this up big time now. Oh, sorry. Okay, here we go. Now the next part of the story is going to be read by a 6-year-old. Now, please, without further ado, I'd like to introduce the character from our story, Lulu, who's going to help me read. It's a bit of dweebing class, but I tell you what, I'm a lot better now. So this is the story called Miss Kraken. Oh, that's me, and it is by Nicki Greenberg.
The minute we saw Miss Kraken, we all knew it was going to be a bad year.
What do you mean it's going to be a bad year? What do you expect? I'm an octopus trying to teach a classroom of kids.
It wasn't just because she looked weird. Everyone said she was the crankiest teacher in the whole school.
What do you mean I'm cranky? I'm doing the best job that I can for you little dweebs.
She gave us more rules than any other class. And in the first week, she already confiscated an entire drawer full of our stuff.
What? The only thing I took were pencils, and it's because you were shoving them up your noses, you silly child.
She was no fun at all, so nobody was looking forward to going on an excursion with her.
Yes, and that's when I said I expect every one of you to be on your best behavior. But no, this excursion, I'm still having nightmares about now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh no, I'm missing one already.
We weren't exactly on our best behavior.
Very true.
But strangely, Miss Kraken didn't stop us.
I don't care.
In fact, she was nowhere to be seen.
Hiding in plain sight.
Then this angry man said,
"Who is in charge here? Where is your teacher?"
You got what you deserved.
Nobody knew where Miss Kraken had gone, which was fine by us. After a while, though, we started to worry. Miss Kraken!
I am not coming out. Go away, child, and play with your friends.
What if she's been eaten by a shark or had an accident? Or wandered into the kitchen by a mistake? It was almost closing time when we finally spotted her. But the trouble was she refused to come out, not even the professional. Our cleaners could not get her to leave.
Go away!
And eventually the principal had to come and collect us instead. We were definitely on our best behavior then. Miss Kraken never came back to teach our class. I visit her sometimes on the weekends, and she does seem a bit less cranky. You know, I never thought I'd say this, but I really wish she stayed.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can count over 10 iPhones right now. Please turn the iPhones off. I'm sick of the camera flashes. If there are any octopuses out there, or octopi, whatever you call it, please do not choose to spend your retirement inside an aquarium. It does me crazy. I get no sleep. Anyway, that was the story Miss Kraken by Nicki Greenberg. I hope you enjoyed it.
Hey, this is Jackson.
Hi, this is Indy.
And together we read.
Miss Kraken.
I hope you enjoyed the book and stay tuned for more videos to come. See you later, guys.
Bye.
Hey, this is Jackson.
Hi, this is Indy.
And together we read. What did we read?
Don't know.